Step 2 in setting up your AdvisorFlex website template is modifying the menu structures. Once you log into your administrative control panel, let's click on the menu manager icon, and you'll notice it's going to take you to your website menu structure. So you might decide that you don't want all these pages within your website. Maybe you want to add them later. The easiest thing to do is to click on one of the green check marks to disable it. So let's say maybe you decide that you want to have a blog later on down the road, but you don't want it on right now. You would just want to make your website live. So next to blog, I'm going to click on the green check mark, and that's going to turn it to a red check mark, which means it's now disabled. When I jump over to the website and refresh the browser, you'll notice that the blog now disappears. This way it's still in the content management platform, and I can add articles to it as I wish and then simply turn it back on when it's ready. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to create a new menu item for the page or article that we created in the previous video. In the upper right hand corner, we're just going to click on New, and we're going to link this to an article. So I'm going to click on Articles, then I'm going to click on Article Layout. Then on the right hand side, I'm going to select the article, and I know it's in the Services category, so I'm going to click on Services, and here's the new article that we created in the last video, and I'm just going to give it a title in the menu. We'll call it Title, and I want it to show up in the Services menu, and I'm going to click on Save. Now we're going to see that under Services, we've got a new drop-down, number 16, called Title. So I'm going to jump over to my website, hit refresh in the browser. We notice that the blog is now available again, and under Services, we've got a new menu item called Title. When I click on it, it links to the page that I created, or the article that I just created in the back end. Okay, now I'm going to take you back out to our control panel. So I'm going to hover over Site, click on Control Panel, and now we're back to the home page of your content management platform. And I want to show you that we actually have two menu structures. One is the main menu. If I hover over Menus and click on Main Menu, it's the major structure within your website that we just saw. But also, if I hover over Menus and click on Top Menu, this is the links that show up at the very top and within the footer of your website. So you'll notice at the very top of the website we've got the client login, the FAQ, which links over to the FAQ within your website, and under Menus and Top Menu, here we can find these links. So as we can tell, the different types, some of them are URLs, meaning that they're linking to either an internal website page or an external website, and other ones are linking directly to articles. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in our client login. So I'm going to click on the client login link. I'm going to paste in my link. In this case, it's going to the Wealth Portal. It could be going to your custodian, a broker-dealer login, another client portal, or File Vault, whatever you want to link it to. And I'm going to have this open up in a new window, and then I'm going to click on Save. Now we're going to go back to the website, refresh our browser, and now I'm going to click on the client login, and it's going to take me to the Wealth Portal login. Let's say that I wanted to add a new link to the top menu structure. So I'm going to click on New in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to choose External Link, and let's link this over to TradePMR, the eCustody login. And again, I want it to open up in a new browser window, and I'm going to click on Save. Now it's going to automatically show up on the bottom of the list. We can easily move these up by clicking on the arrows and it'll move it up. I'm going to jump over to the website, refresh the browser, and now we've got the eCustody login link at the top as well. So when I click on it, it opens up in a new window. So these links across the top, I call them utility links. They're great for linking to either external websites, client logins, or maybe you want to link to a page within your website that's not showing up on the top, but you think it's important. Maybe it's the FAQ. So here, when I click on the FAQ, it's not opening up in a new browser window, but it's just linking to a page within my website. And to do that, all I have to do is grab everything behind the domain name, hit copy. We're going to jump in and click on the FAQ, and you'll notice it's everything behind the domain. And then down here at the bottom, we want it to open up in the parent window as opposed to the new window. And then click on Save. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.